Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI.
The clever cover for LCI Jack by Trailersphere is a custom-fit protective cover designed for electric tongue jacks on trailers, RVs, and campers. I'm really impressed with the durability and weather-resistant materials. It protects our electric tongue jack from the elements, but notice how this cover really integrates well into your safety chains. It has hooks on the sides and a dedicated pouch for the 7-pin plug so that these components stay off the ground. It really fits like a glove, and I appreciate how we can still operate the jack without removing it. It has reflective strips for nighttime, vents on the sides, and you can even put a lock on it through the grommets on the back. The front cover allows you to see the light through the window, and overall I'm really happy with it and would highly recommend to my fellow campers. This material is very durable, and I know this is going to last us a long time, so this is a great solution for protecting your electric tongue jack, and you won't be disappointed. We're easily using it. As you notice here, it has a little slide that keeps everything tight and off the ground for when you're traveling, and overall I would give it a 10 out of 10.
And that's my point of view.